Hi, I am Dr. Sharma and you watch my channel Mind Mentor 2M. Today our topic is Be Selfish. 20 steps in our topic. Number 1 is prioritize your own needs and well-being above others. And the next is set clear boundaries to protect your time, energy and resources. Practice self-care regularly to your physical and mental health. Pursue your own goals and dreams without compromising for others. Say no when necessary to avoid overcommitting or taking on undue responsibilities. Surround yourself with positive influences and distance yourself. Invest in personal growth and self-improvement to reach your full potential. Take time for solitude and reflection to recharge and gain clarity. And the next is celebrate your achievements and acknowledge your own worth. And the next one is delegate tasks or ask for help when it benefits. Make financial decisions that prioritize your financial security and future. Embrace your own passions and interests without seeking approvals from others. Stand up for yourself and asserts your needs and desires in relationships. Seek opportunities for personal enjoyment and fulfillment. And the next one is protect your personal space and privacy. And the next is make decisions that align with your values and beliefs even if they differ from others. Focus on personal development, comparing yourself to others. And the next is invest time and effort in building a strong support network. Recognize that it's okay to put yourself first and own happiness. The last is trust you and listen to your own inner voice when making choices. Please like, subscribe and comment on my video. See you in next video. Thank you.